Guys, I'm going to put some self-etching primer on this tonight. It's getting late, it's getting cooler. It's this SEM 39691 self-etching green primer. This works great. I'm just going to spray it right on. We don't even have to dilute it or do anything to it. It's ready to spray. I've already mixed it. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing sprayed real quick before it gets too late. Hey guys, it's dark. Hopefully it looks good tomorrow. Show you more later. Alright guys, looking at this today, it's looking pretty good for painting it in the dark. Pretty happy with this. Should be good and keep it from rusting up on me. So even the inside of the bed looks good, even with the little splashes I did, but I think this should work out great. Turned out awesome. I'm very, very happy. Tailgate turned out good, so can't complain. We'll continue with the process. Hey guys, so gonna get some Bondo put on this bed. You remember there used to be those little hooks to do tie downs, and so there's just a little wave where those are, and so I'm gonna try to Bondo this whole edge here to keep it uniform. Just try to put a thin coat. So I have this awesome tool. This is called the blade. I bought this years ago, and this thing is awesome. It gives you a nice true edge. You know how these square bodies get the little waves up here? This helps out a lot. And then also sanding it with an air file and trying to keep it flat. But show you everything I'm going to use. I've basically have got my Bondo over here, lightweight Bondo with a hardener, gloves. I've got these boards. They're just papers, and you can just rip them off as you go. You put your Bondo and mix it on here, and you know your can opener, and then I've just got some 80 grit. I'm just gonna lightly go over. It's got a really good finish on it. I can put Bondo over the top of this, but it's set a little longer than 24 hours, and that was the open time of this. So I'm just gonna kind of energize the surface and then start working at it. Don't mind the stripes. That's from the fence, and the sun's coming up, but we'll go ahead and get going. up, just throw a little filler on there. Should be good. Turned out pretty good. So got all the lines evened up along here. So just kind of hung out that far. Just hung out further back here. So I think it should work. Put some filler on it. Hey guys, so I got a lot of the bodywork buttoned up on it. Blended out the Bondo. I'll still have a little bit of places I'll fill. I'll find out as I start priming. I'll see all the low spots. Start block sanding, but this is a great start. I got the inside of the bed pretty much prepped, ready to spray a couple coats of primer on. If I get some time today, I'll throw the bed liner in after. I think that would be good to button up, and then I can tape it off. And then I'm going to try to paint the back of this bed here black, so that I can put it on the truck. And I want to paint the sides of the bed on the truck, so that'll allow me to do that. But you can kind of see this side was a lot more wavier than the other side because of the rust that was on the top of these. You remember in a previous video we repaired the rust in a couple spots here and here, and it was just wavy. So and then we had to patch those panels down there. But yeah, you guys can check it out. Gonna get it start throwing some metal to metal primer on, and we'll see how she turns out. Check it out. Get this camera set up. That's what I'm using. Guys, I'm going to use this pressed quick seam sealer, expandable in, what is it, 10 minutes? We're going to spray the bed liner in. This Raptor liner, I tinted it. Alright guys, we got it done. Turned out really good. Gives it a nice look. We'll see how it actually looks with paint on it later. When I get the truck painted and make it pop a little bit. But did the back side of the tailgate too. So that took 6 cans to do a long bed with this tintable. I think I should have got 1 more can at least, but we can come back later and I'll order some more and we can do some more. So sweet. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Hit subscribe.